I'm Annabelle, a business major here at the University of Toledo. Looking for a summer full of creativity, hands-on learning, and fun? The Herb Innovation Summer Camps are designed just for you. If you love reading, writing, and art, you can join the Reading, Writing, Illustration Camp to explore these skills in a fun, hands-on way. Over the week, you can become an author and illustrator, reading stories, writing your own, and creating artwork to bring your ideas to life. If you're interested in technology and media, you can join the Hands-on AI, Data, and Media Literacy Camp to learn how to confidently and safely navigate the today's online world. You can explore AI, work with real data, and practice spotting accurate information, all through fun and interactive projects. In both experiences, you can learn new skills, spark creativity, and build confidence, all while making the summer unforgettable. Spaces are limited, so don't wait. Register now for Think Summer Camp at the Herb Innovation Center, where learning, fun, and creativity come together.